In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voice in Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you actually want to open up your project and you want to go to add new track either over here, top left, or at the bottom middle over here where it says add new track. So click on either of these and from here, click on voice and mic. Now from here, as you can see, it's going to prompt you to actually select the microphone you want to use to record your voice. So you want to click on here and select your mic. I have this Yeti stereo microphone over here. And of course, if it doesn't allow you to do this, you want to go to the top left over here first, and you want to enable microphone access to be able to actually do this, okay? Of course, you could also enable monitoring in case you have headphones, stuff like that. You could calibrate your mic if you wanna. And then over here, you have some options you could actually put onto your microphone, okay? So you have like the pre-gain, reverb, pan, and volume. Of course, you could go ahead and change this if you want to. And then to actually start recording your own voice, you want to position this playhead to wherever you want to start recording. I'm going to go to the very left, so to the start. And then you want to click on this record button over here. It's going to start counting it down to 2 times. And there we go. From now on, it's actually recording my voice. You can see this is actually painting blue or purple. And then whenever I click on the stop button over here, it's going to basically record all the voice, which I've, of course, recorded. So here, as I'm speaking, it's now recording. If I click on stop, as you can see, my voice is over here. And if I were now to play this, you'd be able to hear my voice. And there we go. From now on, it's just like that. So that is how to record your own voice on Soundtrap. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.